People perform funeral for 8 bodies in Churachandpur after 632 days. Minister Letpao Haukip visits Mapithil Dam, a Shaw's Dam affected people, a model village. Medical Minister Jayanta Kumar assures to inaugurate the only TB hospital in Manipur at Kairos. NAFSA card holders in Bangoi constituency say they have not received PDS items under the Act till now. And Kairos block office has become safe haven for alcoholics and drug addicts. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Janish Kasliwal with all the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, the last rites of the 8 persons who lost their lives in the agitation against the anti-tribal bill in Churachandpur were performed today. JAC Against Anti-Tribal Bills organized held a funeral at the Peace Ground in Churachandpur. The last rites were performed after the government and the JAC reached an understanding after 632 days. People paid floral tributes to the mortal remains at the Peace Ground. Works Minister Thongam Bishwajit, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen, Agriculture Minister Tihang Khalian and officials of Civil and Assam Rifles were among those present at the funeral. The people took out a procession along with the bodies. Later, they were buried at the Martyrs Park near Khuga Dam. It may be mentioned that 9 persons died during protest against the bill to protect the indigenous people passed by the Manipur Legislative Assembly on August 30th in 2015. The last rites of one of the deceased had been already performed.
In fact, it gave me mixed reaction. On the one hand, I regret that the martyrs have to be laid to rest. On the other, it gave me a sort of happiness because of the various cooperation and support that I have achieved. The BJP government that come up in the Manipur is really appreciable because they have taken keen initiative to bring about peace and communal harmony in the state, whether in the valley or in the hill areas.
Adum matang da nungai na panchin nangai Manipur government center government da su ekhoi na nungai chapa hongjari.
IFCD Minister Letpao Haukip today visited Mapithil Dam at Mapau Khul in Ukhrul district. He assured the dam affected people of constructing houses and creating a model village. The minister also listened to the grievances of the villagers of Chadong, Riha and Thawai Khul. He appealed to villagers to extend all possible support to finish the project at the earliest to receive the benefits of the project. The villagers were left with tears of joy over the visit of the minister to Chadong village, since no ministers of the previous government ever visited the village. Letpao Haukip assured the village of not only constructing houses but also promised of discussing with departments concerned to provide suitable jobs and fishing rights to the villagers. A high-power committee will be constituted to look into the grievances of the affected villagers. The minister also said he will discuss with the ministers concerned to construct a community hall and a school.
Committee, Hagidra Village Authority, na, Ingonda La Piraga, Yum Gilis Puro, Pazana Timaga, Mapazana Tima Yum do Model Village, Straight the Harbor, Sipazabaka Natana, May Pubakan the Sunung Ibani, Ising Pubakan the Sunung Ibani, Yum Zigzag Harbor, Sisi, Hindrance Mayamamle, in Township. Adana Model Village Ki, Wapamo Pukala Pase, and Suyam Pamze, housing for all. To the displaced person, but say allow talk to you, cooperation to PB Ganina, Asani.
Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah has assured that Halima Aziz Junior College at Khabai Soy will be upgraded to university level. She was speaking at the inaugural function of the college. Jamia Misbahul Ulum, a co-educational residential high school affiliated to Board of Secondary Education Manipur, was established in 2004 under Jamia Halima Aziz Educational Trust. It has been providing free education to the minority community. The school, which has still class 10th, was upgraded to a junior college and was inaugurated by the governor today. Dr. Nazma Heptullah said minorities should not feel dejected at any point of time. She said different communities should live in peace and harmony in Manipur and that there are no differences among all communities. She remarked that there will be no development in a place where there is no light of education. The governor also stressed the need to set up educational institutions in remote areas of the state. She lauded the BJP-led government in the state for working for the unity of all communities in the state. The governor said there are no issues of economic blockades and the anti-tribal bill issue has also been resolved and last rites of the deceased have been performed today.
मणिपुर में ब्लॉकेट की वजह से, हड़तालों की वजह से, बंद की वजह से हमारी एजुकेशन पे बहुत ख़राब असर पड़ा था। मगर ये खुदा का शुक्र है कि नई सरकार के आते ही 24 घंटे के अंदर सारे बंद ख़त्म हो गए। 9 डेड बॉडीज़ रखी हुई थी जिनको वो लोग दफना नहीं रहे थे। आज 11 बजे उनको दफनाने की शुरुआत हुई है।
The only TB hospital in Manipur at Kairos Wangkhem in Imphal East has not been functioning due to non-payment of 3 crore rupees billed to the contractor and lack of infrastructure in different departments. Health Minister Langpulakpam Jayantakumar, who visited the newly constructed TB hospital today, assured that the bills will be cleared and the hospital will be inaugurated at the earliest. Kairos MLA and Parliamentary Secretary Laurembam Rameshwar accompanied the minister in his visit. The minister discussed about the shortcomings of the hospital with the staffs. The hospital, which was shifted from Chingmairong in 2015, has only 3 doctors. It does not have even a single ambulance. Jayantakumar said the construction of the hospital is almost complete. He also said the government will construct a district hospital in Imphal East very soon. The minister stressed the need to develop health sector in the society. He appealed to the people to extend all possible support in the development activities of the government.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯏꯅꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯅꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯊꯤꯀꯥꯗꯥꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯟ ꯀꯣꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯇꯆꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯗꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕꯒ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯪꯒꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯤꯕꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯦ.
Minister L. Jayantakumar also visited Thoubal District Hospital. During his visit, the minister found the operation theatre and toilets of the hospital in a very deplorable condition. However, he was happy to see doctors, nurses and other staff attend to their duties on time. Jayantakumar said a casualty cum trauma center will be set up soon in the hospital and urged the staff to perform their duties sincerely.
Doctors na balayang buti nungai na ba amti patient sing na masada sense of security madu phau na ve chi wa dai barani na hai phau na ba makhalgi basic way ba tangai phada makhalgi development center ya ta hin dei person na ba ai sana di ba mu di present to boy na maso government mu di present to boy oi na ai na ya sai na di ka hin jara na ka do bagi no why today I become a doctor I become a nurse ka do bagi ai ngasi je doctor ka do oi no nurse ka do oi no adai kai to bung thuke na bi se masi akai mun na khimba ka le.
Mega Manipur School Yaralpat today celebrated its 12th Foundation Day. Taking part in the celebration, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham expressed happiness at the performance of the school in promotion of school education in the state. He appealed to the school to play a vital role in leading the society in the right path. Minister Radhesham said Mega Manipur School is different from rest of the schools in Manipur in many ways and appreciated the teachers, members of Mega Manipur Society and students of the school. Parliamentary Secretary Home Leshang Them Sushindro, Chairperson of Board of Governors, Mega Manipur School, Dr. R.K. Nimai, Principal, teachers and students of the school, parents and members of Mega Manipur Society were present at the event. The school does not provide only academic courses but also other co-curricular activities. Students of the school who bagged prizes at various national level competitions were felicitated at the function. Cultural programs by the students were also the highlights of the celebration.
Proactive oiba, prepared oiba, lakadam do anticipate toba. Perception here, right perception management. I lakadam over sumizum over tam. We need good leaders, good leadership style, and good human beings. Any walk of life ta koi oibi. Lairik phaba yamna pai, lairik phaba katna loina oite. Mega school na Manipura tongnamba and education the difference. Sigma provide to viduna Manipur di equity expectation concerns. The problem may also address the one same Saviva, Lambi Taki, Lamakta, and Tagatsari.
Cardholders of Nafsa in Wangoi constituency have alleged that they have not received PDS items under the National Food Security Act due to the partiality of the MLA. They also allege that the MLA hand in glove with the fair price agents have distributed the PDS items to people with forged Nafsa cards. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Sorokhaibam Roman, a Nafsa card holder from Iram Sifai Mamang Laikai, said his wife Sorokhaibam Roma is a Nafsa card holder registered at DSO office Imphal West. However, she has not received any benefits under the Nafsa till date. Despite numerous requests, the authorities concerned have not paid any heed. Roman further claimed that ration card holders of Wangai constituency have not received the benefits of Nafsa, saying there is no quota. He appealed to the Chief Minister and authorities concerned to look into the matter and make the PDS items available to the people of the constituency. Many Food Security Act card holders attended the press meet.
Food security card paiba missing si yam phajana huji Manipur da leriba sarkar na awon ba phajaba ma purakani habigi asama thami marak sida aikoi gi sing ji pibida sing pibidi gi maram se koin hangum matam da aikoi gi quota ji yaudi sin dc da akoi samang na card sadana phajana renew toraba phajana niyom sumna phajana sarga paijariba kasibu tasing akoi gi sing saruk quota yaudi haibasi tasing nai bum tanda koi yam nungai jada bam po ek atuba matam da koi department na amade koi MLA na sibidana yarga di card sing ji phajana sabidana lairuk praja myam sing ji magi phongom thopa sakthung sing ji niyom niti sumna phangan biu.
The Students' Union of Kanglei Park today felicitated Thaunajam Loyangamba, who bagged the 4th position in Commerce Stream in Class 12th examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur. Loyangamba is a student of CC Higher Secondary School. President, Secretary and members of the student body were present at the event held at Suk office at Moirangkhom. Suk also assured him of all possible help. It may be mentioned that 2 students from government schools, including Thaunajam Loyangamba, bagged positions in the Class 12th COSM results, which were declared yesterday. All Manipur Students' Union AMSU Bishnupur District Committee observed 28th Students' Emancipation Day at Ningthokhung Model Higher Secondary School today. 6-day residential students' leadership camp also kicked off on the occasion. General Secretary of AMSU H. Chalamba, President of KADA R.K. Halima and President of Apun Manupiluk Bishnupur District W. Somorjit were among those present on the occasion. Around 100 students took part in the camp that began today. The Kairos block office located at Kairos Bitra Khunau in Imphal East District has remained neglected by the authorities for a very long time, making it a safe haven for alcoholics and drug addicts and other activities. We bring you a report.
Kairos block office was set ablaze by unknown miscreants on July 11, 2004 against the backdrop of rape and murder of Thangjam Manorama by the Assam Rifles personnel. The office was later shifted to the complex of Deputy Commissioner Imphal East in Porompat. The Kairos block office has not been utilized since then. After a gap of few years, repairing work was carried out. However, after being neglected by the concerned authority, there are apprehensions of the office becoming a safe haven for intoxicant users.
Akoi block office sajanbire matung sida mayam ama saraga thambire masidai sida angang asikpa pamba hujikan gi angang hina asikpa pamba dagi nisha saba guli saba yu thakpa nupi angang puraga chak chanaba sidai sida aduga moina kari tawrige haiba yengjen bininga yaudaba masidagi akaiba mayam lani akoina sidai sida phurure chairure siro naro akoi dasani aduna mayam sarkarna ongtang yengjen biraga office jibu jaga sida puda biraga akoi local MLA nasu sigi saita biyeng changbiu.
When Impact News visited the site, the office was found to be in a deplorable condition. The condition of the building has deteriorated since it has not been used for a very long time. No windows or doors were found. Fungus was found in the office since it has not been cleaned. There were signs of alcohol and waste by people, making it a picnic spot. The office complex was also turned into a toilet. Impact News not only found vulgar written all over the wall, but also inappropriate pictures. Condoms were also found at the office complex. Without the care of the concerned authorities, there is a fear if the office has been converted into a comfortable zone for intoxicant users and other inappropriate activities.
Karigumba nisa sasan ba karigumba na haron sing ngausan paisan na ba adai mafam asida sang pasinje ithanda na ngak sen ba madi chituk sengdok ba luna nana thamba bisu pami akoina adubu masi ithanda na ngamdabni na atopa sing miyeng changbiduna block ki oiba natra karigumba kharadi demand tawjeba pansai masigi damukta sengbat sabai biba natraga masigumba khara pamin oiba ni kharadangdi mafam asida thambiba pansai ngak sen na bagi damakta
sahi kun muki meada mai cha khaba block office se mayam miyeng changbiraga seisda Kairos haiba lamdam sida puthabirakna ba mari leinaba mayamda kasari akhoi Kairos khunau ni saban mera paibi singna.
Locals have expressed concerns regarding the issue. They fear of untoward incidents if the state government and the relevant authorities do not act in time. On the other hand, portions of the office was found to be functional with the board written Bharat Nirman Rajiv Gandhi Seva Kendra Imphal East CD Block. With Ramesh Chandra, this is Priyo Bharta for Impact News.
Now, Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur, Committee on the Protection of National Resources in Manipur, Civil Society Coalition on Human Rights in Manipur and UN and various students' organizations held one-day discussion on oil exploration in Manipur at Nupilal Complex today. Participants discussed the effects of oil exploration in Manipur and also questioned why the locals were not kept in the loop. Former member of Committee on Protection of National Resources in Manipur, Phulendra Konsam, said the exploration is a step taken to destroy the nature of Manipur by Government of India. He also expressed the need to conduct a thorough study to see if the exploration will lead to development of the state or will destroy the nature.
But Prasasik NOC Piva Yana number Tongan Moina Hajan Mayama, quick benefit Mayam, Pony Pony High number Simba Mayama, Hajan Viwani, but in practical, we never look quite super to have say a young Sema Tazi since my long experience in a target of Zagana and a Mapiti of Dam Yoshino Moshino, Hosing Power, rehabilitation, not any compensation present process of the labor projects in Mokana Packet say. Proper rehabilitation the free prior consent and inform Miam the person would inform Koroga, Miam Ayaba Yorga, Packet project Nate, Mosidi Yam Shin and Miam Sinda, Shokataba, internet displacement Mamu, Yataba, hand environment to the police in Torkadaba, Adu project, by any equity benefit.
It's time for us to take a very short break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. Now, councillors of Lamshang Nagar Panchayat have joined the BJP. The councillors are Aribam Thaja Devi, who was elected on a Congress ticket, Thaunajam Surjit and Usham Sarodhini Devi, who were elected as independent candidates. They were welcomed by the party leaders at the party's office at Nityapat Chuthek. Lamsang MLA S. Rajen, Tamenglong MLA Samuel Jendai, Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Moirangthem Hemanta, and several party workers were present at the reception.
Manganda, Abu Mayama, Hiragani, Luni, Pasaka, perception, Apu Tasaba, Ama, Asi, Umi, community of community, touching the Lena, the Sinataba, the Tataba, plus deficit of a level, as we have seen, whatever same in the activity. But the trust deficit to the city.
Rashtriya Lok Samata Party, an alliance of BJP in the centre, was launched in Manipur today. After a meeting in New Delhi with the party's president and Union Minister of State for Human Resource Development, Upendra Kushwaha, it was decided to launch the party in Manipur with Ningombam Raju, R.K. Devendra, Haikam Ranjit, Kangabam Gahendra and L.C. Henry Aimol as its party's member. 465 persons joined the party today. President of the party has also given the nod to set up a 13-member core committee who will come in Imphal to appoint the party's office bearers and inaugurate the party office. Now, Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development, the Kelpat, will organize one-day free counseling and awareness program for admission to undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral program on the 26th of this month. Principals and teachers of well-known colleges of the country will provide counseling to the students. IBSD Director Professor Dinabandhu Sahu today told the media persons that students from the northeast states including Manipur face problems while seeking admissions in colleges and universities in other states of the country. He also mentioned the problems faced by students and parents after getting admitted into fake universities. He said the IBSD took the initiative to hold the first free academic counseling program by inviting principals of well-known colleges of India. He appealed to students and parents to participate and take advantage of the program. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah will open the awareness program at 10 a.m. It will continue till 5 p.m. Students will be given the opportunity to register online in different colleges in the program.
A large number of students go from Northeast, especially from Manipur, to take undergraduate admissions, and they face a lot of problems, and there are very, very small problems which can be solved right here. And here they will have the direct contact. We are also setting up a facilitation program where we are dedicating the computers. The students who are facing the problem, they can come here, help them out in how to fill up the form, because the procedure is changing so rapidly. We can also give them a career guidance, because at this stage many students are also confused.
Now, 5 shops were gutted by fire at Singjamai Chingamakha Chongtham Laikai last night around 10 p.m. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. Fire service personnel and people of the area tried to control the fire. It took nearly 1.5 hours to control the fire. 5 shops were completely destroyed and the loss in the fire is yet to be estimated. Now, people of Yai School Janmasthan are in panic after a stretch of 150-meter bank of the Imphal River collapsed. The stretch was under repair before the arrival of the monsoon, but it collapsed unexpectedly today. The collapse of the bank has affected several houses on the bank. Yai School MLA and Parliamentary Secretary Finance Thokchum Satyabarta and IFCD officials inspected the site. Satyabarta said IFCD officials are working on a temporary solution.
Lebang khara hapa sida phut mani manga si khangau kara namthagi bani ni humni sida ado hoji khoi IFCD department mai lena bo authority sing engineer sing lakpi re moi tanari tanaraga khoi shok tanana mayam gi phanana ba thab khoi choidan pangthok charaga ni na thamjage government gi lokhat ba ya step si technical oiba manam sing si engineer sing ga tanajarage ado tanara matung da mayam gi su shok tanaba torban sin da su ising lakpo matam da effect tawtanaba akoi kari tawba yage du kanna tanajari aduga soidana mayam phananam tawjagani.
Now, Lilong MLA Muhammad Abdul Nasir has stormed the news published in local dailies about him in connection with distribution of Nafsa items as baseless. Nasir alleged that Lipun and some organizations associated with it are trying to gain political mileage by accusing him. Speaking to media persons at his official residence at Babupara, the MLA stated that the distribution of rice under the NAFSA is done by the department concerned. He said a defamation case will be filed against those trying to present him in a very bad light.
MLA ga mari leinadaba wafam singni food security act chatnakhraba matungda masida ting pithokpa amasung yenbagi daita punnamakse MLA ga mari ama fu leinade adubu mokhoina mangki hariba potti kadai phau tumba lanba haiba pottu ek sina kanaba phangiba miyoi singdu chatminaraga ngasi numit humni mari ni sida tinna koma me yengaga hol kendrada khudongchaba phangiba adugi mayamdu phangibra phangdabra haibadu yengsin maral lei leiti haibase hana phajana kanana daitano haibadu masu khangaga ngangba fai aduna MLA amadi ja choknaba toriba thabak singsigi mayokta defamation charge sama thuba matamda ei tawni haibase media gi thongda sumena thamjani.
Federation of Clubs Yairipok organizes a symposium on the effects of peace talks between Government of India and NSC and IM at Laimani Multipurpose Hall, Yairipok, LYCY today. Federation of Clubs, UCM, UPF, AMSU, HRI and the locals attended the event. Speakers at the event emphasized the need to maintain the unity and integrity of the state by the students. They also said it is time to raise a united voice against the framework agreement if it leads to disturbing the integrity of the state. Khairakpam Budhinanda, son of K.H. Chinglen Sana from Thanga Ithing Mamang Laikai in Bishnupur district, has been chosen for the 12th Laishram Gorromini Memorial Award for the Visually Handicapped 2016-17. He has been chosen for the award for his performance in sports. Now, Manipuri Library Association celebrated its 38th Foundation Day today at Manipur Press Club. Health Minister Langpulakpam Jayantakumar appreciated the role of Mala in the development of library in the state. He also released a book titled Social Responsibility of Literary Services in National Development on the occasion. Now, players and officials of Neroka FC Sangakpam who secured a berth in the I-League were accorded a warm welcome today. Well-wishers, members of Neroka FC and football fans received the players and the officials when they arrived at Imphal International Airport today. In the ongoing Second Division League held under the aegis of All India Football Federation, Neroka FC have so far played 5 away matches and 4 home matches and secured 23 points, booking a place in the I-League for the first time in the history of Manipur. Neroka FC will play the final league match of the Second Division League against Southern Samiti Kolkata at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium on the 28th of this month. Coach of Neroka FC, Gift Raikhan, thanked the fans for their support.
Afaba thabak ama tawge habada aduga aruba thaba ama tawge habada aduda yam waba thingnai yam kanna akoibu ayetpa adagi success oidana ba kanna ju laitab sunate adurasu mayam adu akoina overcome tawre raga hauji akoi last match tang kuni panda sana khini adu kana mo akoi khona khini adu karadi akoi final round gi unbeaten oiduine India gi history oiduine supo podana aile second division degi aile qualify oibadu oiduine aduna awabri thingnai adurasu awaba mayam duna akoi nungai phangine ba jain hajeninge.
CHYUC Chalo have entered the final of the 12th Telo Joint Cooperative Farming Society Limited Trophy Lamlai Kendra Village Wise Men's Open 7-a-side football tournament. In the hard-fought second semi-final match played today, CHYUC Chalo defeated STT Team A Sekta by 2-1. For the winners, Maingao and Manisana netted in the 45th and 54th minutes of the match to reach the finals. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Bigyananda in the 36th minute of the match. FC Telo will play CHYUC Chalo on the 28th of this month. Before we wind up this bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. People perform funeral for 8 bodies in Churachandpur after 632 days. Minister-led Pauhaukip visits Mapithel Dam, assures dam-affected people a model village. Medical Minister Jayanta Kumar assures to inaugurate the only TB hospital in Manipur at Kairos. NAFSA card holders in Wangoi constituency say they have not received PDS items under the Act till now. And Kairos block offices become safe haven for alcoholics and drug addicts.